Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk round video of our 2019 Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta. This car comes with the 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. This is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 15,000 miles, so very low mileage and comes with good service history. This particular colour is the metallic gun and looks in great condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. Being the N-Connecta, the car comes with many features. So you've got your armrests and two cup holders there for the front passengers in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. You also have climate control and then automatic headlights and wipers. Cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel. The useful full length glass roof, which lets in plenty of daylight for you. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, very popular, so nice wide door opening there in the back if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. Lots of legroom and headroom. You can see really nice condition in the back. You've also got the 2 charging points there in the centre for the rear passengers. As you open the tailgate on the Qashqai, you get a really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable, so it's at its highest point at the moment, but you can remove it or lower it completely to increase the volume. And below that, below the bottom floor, you've also got your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors and the 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA. We've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.